Hey guys, it's Karen Merrill. Welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to be giving you the cash secret review. You might have seen this product advertised on Facebook or in your inbox and wondered what it's all about. I'm not with this company, but I did some research so I can give you the facts as well as I know them on the company. But before we get to that, if you're new to the channel, welcome. This channel is all about affiliate marketing, how to make money online, how to make money from home. And I do a lot of product reviews like this just to let you make an informed buying decision. If those are topics that you want to learn more about, make sure you click the subscribe button and the bell icon. That way you can be notified when I upload new videos each and every day. With that being said, let's go ahead and get into the cash secret review. Again, this is something you may have seen around and just wondered what it's all about. What exactly is the cash secret? It is a new high-ticket program selling digital products, teaching you how to market online. In my research, I could not find who the owner or owners are, other than they are affiliate marketers, very successful affiliate marketers. If anyone knows who is the owner of this company or owners, you can go ahead and leave that in the comments below the video. The cost to join, you're going to have a $150 admin fee. You pay that one time. Unless you're paying offline with cash, then it's $100. So my understanding is you just pay that one time, and even when you upgrade, you don't have to pay that again. There's different levels. The first one is bronze, that's $500. The silver is $2,000. The gold is $3,500. Platinum is $6,500. The diamond is $12,000, and then the elite is $20,000. It's member-to-member payments, so you decide how people pay you. It could be PayPal, Cash App, Stripe, whatever it is that you want to set up. I think sometimes people will even do like Facebook. You can get paid through Facebook. So there's several different ways that you can get paid. Of course, then you can pay it offline through the mail or however you want to do it. So let's take a look at the products here, what you get with each one. And my understanding also is that you do get the physical product in the mail as well as getting it digitally. So you have two different ways that you can access it. So the bronze is the Home Business Success Foundation, and it's basically just setting up your business, getting time back, breathe, goal setting, which I think is good, healthy business, healthy life, limitless energy, never say later, procrastination killer, scaling back, stress-free lifestyle, success habits, organized mind. Then the silver is the $2,000 package, and that's the Millionaire Wealth Builder's Blueprint. You're getting an Amazon Marketing Biz in a Box, Cryptocurrency Secrets, Bitcoin Secrets, Scale Your Business with Bitcoin, E-commerce Business in a Box, Make Money Online Business in a Box, Media Buying, Modern Millionaires, Money Counts, Pay-per-click, Viral, Marketing Business in a Box, Money, Mind, and Meanings. And then the $3,500 product is the gold, and you get a 21-day marketing plan. There's several things in here. I won't read through all of them, but you got drop shipping, complete IM strategy, the Internet Marketer's Toolkit, journey to being a top blogger. So there's a little bit of everything in here to ebook riches, a lot of different things in this particular product. And then you've got the $6,500 product, which is the platinum, 10K blueprint, Amazon affiliate profits, Bing ads, ClickBank marketing, CPA marketing, Facebook marketing, Facebook Messenger bot marketing, Instagram, a lot of things about affiliate marketing, Facebook marketing, video marketing, Periscope, Snapchat, YouTube live cash, video marketing excellence, YouTube ads excellence. And then you've got the $12,000 product, the diamond, and that is social media, Bing ads, email marketing, Facebook ads, Facebook Live, Facebook remarketing, Google ads. And then the $20,000 product, the elite, that's basically teaching you how to create your own digital products with audio and blog, talk radio, local client magnets. So being able to just market your services or your products, that's going to be the $20,000 product. The compensation plan is it's 100% commissions. You're going to pass up your first sale and member to the qualified member above you. And after that, you're qualified, and then you'll earn on the first sale of all your direct sales except for that first pass up. So I also understand that you, let's say you own the $500 product. If someone comes in at the $2,000 product level, like some other companies, you don't lose that sale. You actually still earn what you would earn at the level that you're at. So you would earn your $500, and then the other would be passed up. But so you don't miss out on sales. And so again, it's 100% commission, but only after you pass up that first sale. And then my understanding again is that the admin fee is only a one-time fee, and also when you scale up, well, when you upgrade, you don't have to pay that again, like some other companies you do. So the pros are, it's a new program, so a lot of people would be interested in it. 100% commissions, digital, and then you do get the physical product in the mail of the training. Low admin fee, and it's a one-time fee. So if you upgrade, like I said, you only pay the difference. In a lot of companies, you have to pay the whole amount. So in other companies, if you own the $500 product, you still have to pay the $2,000, but here you would pay the difference, so $1,500. If someone joins at a higher level than you're at, like I said, you will not lose the commission you earn at the level that you're at. And with high ticket, you can make large commissions. And it looks to me like it's good products. Like I said, I'm not a part of this company, but it does look, the website and everything looks really good. The products look really good. And then you have the member-to-member payments, so you don't have to worry about merchant accounts getting shut down, things like that. You can do it sending cash in the mail. You can do, however you want to do it. So that's a pro as well. You can get it delivered immediately. You don't have to wait to get paid by the company. There wasn't too much that I found with it other than, you're not going to get residual commission because it's just a one-time fee, so you're going to have to keep marketing to make that commission. The one thing that I saw is maybe it might be a red flag with the FTC with the $2,000 or $20,000 price point. It just, I know some other companies in the past, Digital Altitude, they had some really high ticket products, but not to say that this is not a good company, but it's just something to kind of take into consideration because that is a lot to pay for the training, but you do get some good training, it looks like. And then you're going to need to have a budget to advertise because you don't want to spend all the money that you have to try to make money and then you don't have anything left to market with, because you can do the free marketing, but it takes you a little bit longer. And the people that generally do make good money are the ones that are able to have somewhat of a budget to advertise, or they already have a following. So those are just some things to consider when looking at this program. But all in all, it looks like a good program. Looks like there's good people behind it and that have successful products that they put out before. So I think this program looks like it's pretty good. So I hope you guys found the Cash Secret Review helpful. If you did, go ahead and give me a thumbs up, give me a like. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments below the video, and if I don't know the answers, I can find them out for you. If you need to contact me for any reason, I do have my contact information in the description below the video. Also, if you'd like to learn my #1 recommendation for making money online, that'll be the first link in the description below the video. You can check it out if you'd like. With that being said, I appreciate you guys. This is Karen Merrill signing off, and I'll see you in the next video.